Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 5 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over x equals 10. So one thing about this question is we have different bases and also we have different power. I want to know the value of x that satisfies this. So it's very simple because we are going to be getting 2 answers for this. So 2 answers and both of them satisfy these questions. So let's see how we can do that. From here, let's consider the solution first. We are given 5 power x multiplied by 2 power of 1 over x equals 10. So we can just write this as 5 power x multiplied by 2 power of 1 over x equals, so 10 is 5 multiplied by 2. So looking at this by comparison, we can see that x equals to 1 is one of the solution here, but that is not all. X equals to 1 is one of the solutions, but we can still get another solution that satisfies this. Here from, let's try and introduce logarithm to both sides. So suppose I take the ln of both sides. So we have ln of 5 power of x multiplied by 2 power of 1 over x. So this equals ln of 5 times 2. And by this, we can apply the rule of logarithm. So this is product, we change it to additions, and each of them takes its own separate ln. So here is ln 5 power x plus ln 2 power of 1 over x equals ln 5 times 2. I want to leave this one like this for now. So let me just leave it as ln 10. Then here, by applying the rule of log, so we take this 1 over x down and this x down. Here we have x multiplied by ln 5 plus 1 over x multiplied by ln 2 equals ln 10. And ln here is logarithm. So let's reduce this fraction. Let's take away fraction by multiplying 2 by x. So x times x, we have it as x squared ln 5 plus, so this one go, and we have ln 2 equals x ln 10. And by taking this x ln 10 to this side, we have x squared ln 5 minus x ln 10 plus ln 2 equals 0. So this forms a quadratic equation because this is x squared, the coefficient of it is ln 5, this is x, coefficient of it is minus ln 10, and here is ln 2. So what to do here is we have to solve this one using quadratic formula. So here we have x equals, this is minus b, then we have minus 10, it becomes plus ln 10 plus or minus, so the square root of minus ln 10 squared, so this becomes ln 10 all raised to power of 2 minus 4 times a here is ln 5 and c is ln 2, all divided by 2a. So 2a, it means 2 multiplied by ln 5. But let's try and deal with ln 10 squared minus 4 ln 5 and see what we are going to get. So before that, let's see ln 10. ln 10 here, so before I wrote it as ln 5 times 2, which when we apply the rule of logarithm, we have ln 5 plus ln 2, then all squared. So because this is ln 10, which is ln 5 times 2, and this is squared, it means that when we expand this, we are going to have it as ln 5 squared plus ln 2 squared, then plus 2 multiplied by ln 5 ln 2, and in this bracket we have minus 4 ln 5 ln 2, Suppose we subtract it from here, we are going to have this as we are going to have it as ln 5. So this is what we are going to have when we subtract minus 4 ln 5 ln 2 from here. And the whole of this is resemble, suppose I have this as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. This is just like a minus b all squared. Then by comparing it with this, so here we have ln 5 minus ln 2 all squared. And from this given quadratic, we have everything in squared. So, and we have ln 5 minus ln 2 all squared. It means square and square root cancelled. So when square and square root cancelled, we are going to have our x equals ln 10 plus or minus. So the whole of this, which is ln 5 minus ln 2 divided by 2 ln 5. And we have x equals ln 10 is ln 5 plus ln 2 plus or minus ln 5 minus ln 2 divided by 2 ln 5. So we have plus or minus from here. So the plus or minus, we are going to distribute it, as we shouldn't get confused that this is in bracket because of minus is going to affect this. If you consider plus first, so for the positive part of this, so we have ln 5 plus ln 5. That one gives us 2 ln 5. And ln 2 minus ln 2, that is 0. Then divided by 2 ln 5. And when these two cancel each other, we are going to have 1. So this shows that x equals to 1 is one of the solutions here that we got above. So in a proper way, we have x equals 1. And we'll consider the negative part of this. We are going to have x equals ln 5 plus ln 2. Then apply negative, we are going to have minus ln 5 plus ln 2 divided by 2 ln 5. Here we have ln 5 cancelled ln 5. And we have x equals ln 2 plus ln 2. That gives us 2 ln 2 divided by 2 ln 5. So 2 cancel 2, and we have this as ln 2 divided by ln 5. So ln 2 by ln 5 also satisfy this, or we can just decide to write it as log 2 base 5. So these are the two values of x. X equals to log 2 base 5 and x equals 1. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.